Hello there, I am Paras and I'm a full stack web app developer, and I also have some experience designing UIs. I can create a complete web application for you from scratch, and I can also work as a part of your team, either as a front end or as a back end developer. Since I've been coding and working as a web developer, web app developer for a very long time, I understand the importance of writing good code. So when I write code, I make sure it's reusable. We aren't copying and pasting the code. The code should be scalable and flexible. So to make sure that happens, I use all the modern tools like GraphQL and TypeScript and linting and everything. So yeah, on top of making my code functional, flexible and reusable, I also make sure the components, the front-end components that I develop are user-friendly. Since I have done some designing on my own, I understand the importance of a good user experience. A good user experience can, after all, make or break your application. So when I develop front-end components, I make sure it fulfills the user experience. It creates a great user experience for our users. I think one thing that really separates me from the competition is that when I'm working on your project, I only focus on your project. You can check my Upwork profile right now, and I'm pretty sure there wouldn't be any projects in progress. Even if there is probably one or two that I'm about to conclude and I'm about to close. So when I work with you, I completely focus on your project. I don't work on anyone else's project, due to which I am able to communicate with you constantly and give you constant update on a regular basis. And when we are communicating, I never hesitate to ask any question, and I'm open to being wrong. In my career, I have found that usually when I'm wrong, I get to learn something. And if you can, when we are working on a project, and if you can give me constructive criticism, I'll be very happy. I wouldn't be offended, and I'm completely open to that. So I think that's the basic overview on how we will be working. So if you want to get more details about all the skills I possess, please go through all my Upwork profile. There I have mentioned all the main programming languages and technologies that I can work with. On top of that, there are obviously a lot of minor technologies that I haven't mentioned. On top of that, if there are some minor technologies in your application that you don't see there, I think one other quality that I possess is that I can learn things very, very quickly. So even if there are some things I'm not aware, I haven't worked with, that you use in your project, I can quickly learn it and adjust accordingly. So while you're there, maybe check out some of my work history, check out some of my feedbacks, maybe check out some of my portfolios as well. So, and if you like those and you think we can work together, send me a message, give me all the details of your project, and maybe we can get started working. Thank you.